Hey! And you're asking, why am I posting it in this YouTube? Well, shucks. Don't ask. Anyway, so yeah, this video is gonna be the wackiest you've ever known before. Because I'm using my phone camera. Don't ask. Long story. Okay, goodbye. Okay. School time is such a fun time where we can learn how with class and actually we hate school. Anyway, let's get it to point. Anyway, so what you're about to see is the most wackiest video you've ever seen. That's why I'm gonna tell you this. You have been warned. Because this has been the wackiest thing ever. And we're gonna play Final Fantasy 2 in that laptop. Anyway, enjoy.
Gusto mo What the
Oh, that lag.
Oh, that lag?
Seriously?
Finally, you died.
Well, someone's happy.
Yes.
Hey guys, it's Padre Rock
Bonnie.
with another guy member.
Happy
You
birthday. That's right, bro.
So there's two motherfuckers in the bed.
Two motherfuckers in the bench. Wait, seriously? Two motherfuckers in the bench?
Yes.
Check mo kayo. Ulit. Patang ulit.
This is our project in social. This is our project in social.
Foxy.
Foxy is right there. You can just see it because this camera. Oh shoot. Because this
Hey,
Bonnie, how's how's life?
this camera's quality. This camera's quality is very bad. I'm so sorry.
Don't you dare, bro.
Hey, no.
Chet.
Sutin mo.
Ano yung lot yun?
Sutin mo lang. Gusto mo mamatay ka dyan eh.
Mamatay ka dyan. Dude, you're gonna die. You're gonna die by Foxy. Get out.
Wait, what?
Okay,
Wala na.
never mind.
Never mind. Prison boy.
Foxy's
Foxy.
Foxy.
So he fucks people. Foxy. That's why he jumps at you. Foxy.
It's gonna and it's like when he jumps on you, he'll be like, it's raping time.
Press it just press it once and hold. Jesus.
You know, I'm using a mouse pad, so it's gonna be hard.
Yeah, it says they're click and hold.
Oh, good job.
So, just one. Parang ganito lang. Oh, no!
You're dead.
You're dead.
Yes, finally you can die.
You're gonna die, you.
Ah,
Dude, you still live.
What? What? Why can't you just die?
nailed it.
Nailed
it.
6 a.m.
What the hell?
I know, right? Yeah!
Nice.
Yeah!
Yes!
Yeah.
Wala nang ano yun, ah.
I wanted you to die.
Dude, night 3. It's night 3 time.
19 na.
Night 2.
Let's watch it.
That's Bonnie.
That's Bonnie. Dude!
Sorry.
Go check Chica. And there's Chica.
And that's the motherfucker.
That's the duck. The duck that is the duck.
It's me.
That's
The
the duck that is a chicken. And that's the bunny that looks like a dog for me. That's the skeleton of dog.
Ayun na ngayon. It's me.
Party!
It's me.
Me.
Nice.
Miss
Camp
mo lang.
12. Jump ship.
Ayun.
Camp 12 si Mangal. Camp 12.
Hey, why can't I go there?
Hintay ka lang.
Dude, cameras are automatic. You can't control them.
Camtel.
But you can control what you're
Sa
seeing.
Mangal.
What you're seeing.
Tingnan mo muna si Mangal.
Dude, kung gusto mo, what the
Oh, that lag.
Oh, that lag?
Seriously?
Finally you died.
Well, someone's happy.
Yes. Get out.
Oh, come on, Foxy.
Di ba dapat si Foxy?
Bakit si Freddy?
I have no idea. Maybe it's because
Come
Freddy is
on.
looking at you. Look at me.
Looking at you. Wala yung ano.
Continue. Just continue. You died?
Yeah.
Wait.
Yun ba yung call?
Pirate, get alive.
No.
Yes.
I did not.
Wind!
Are you kidding me?
You need
Never.
to
You're
pull out your
dead.
mask.
Nice. You
Got.
Oh!
Are you kidding me?
Wow!
Nice teeth.
I like it.
God. I like the teeth.
Yung nose.
Rock.
Yeah, that always makes us feel better.
So fun. Pagkalupas ano. Kailangan wala ulit yun. Rock, back, party, play. So fun.
Not again. Oh, you.
Look who's the motherfucker that came home.
Everyone died.
Oh, you.
Yes, me.
Yeah. What?
Ah! Jeez. 11 sharp again.
Ganun
God,
din, 10:30 ka
I hate the flashlight. Oh!
Oh, stick dalawa.
Mangal? Oh, come on. No,
Look at
man.
them red eyes.
I love mangals.
It's a vampire. It's a bat.
Wait, akala ko hindi gumagana sa kanila yung flash.
Patay ka na.
Nikolai.
Yeah.
Your smell reminds me of my car. My old
Yung ano,
box
yung
here.
wind up the box.
Your smell reminds me of death.
What? You
You're
remind me
dead.
of death.
Yeah, you're dead.
What?
Oh!
Dapat ganun.
It's so fast.
They're
Walang
gonna buy
tips,
stuff for...
Sige,
Oh!
Oh!
You're dead.
Yun
I'm
yung
dead.
ginawa ko. Tapos nung nawala na, yung ganyan, tinanggal ko agad.
See, it's a vampire.
Tinanggal mo? I'm next.
Well, I lasted night 3. I lasted 3 a.m.
Did you see his reaction? That was funny.
I'll just
Yeah.
get it.
All
Bat-
that is bullshit.
Batman didn't see the webcam part. But
Man, that sucks.
So tough because you're a chef and a farmer.
Oh no!
Let's see how tough you are. Would you survive 5 nights of
Wait, hindi
bed?
mo pwede mag-co-op din ah.
Fuck, he's here. He's here. Fucking here already. God damn you.
He's a mask. Don't
Fuck you in the ass. Fuck you in the ass. Fuck you in the
Don't wind
ass.
up, box.
Fuck you in the ass. I can do that right now.
Oh, you're dead. You're dead. Okay.
He's not there.
Wind up the Oh. Holy champ.
you tricked me.
Hindi mo champ. Tatlo naman yan. Angel, Bonnie, tsaka Pac.
Boy.
Oh no, Fox is there again.
He's here. The motherfucker's here.
He's here.
Motherfuckers.
I want you to look at what.
Grabe sa kanya.
I want you to look.
Bonnie and Bo.
Okay, I can see Nikolai in here.
Dude, hindi niya sa akin eh. That's what happened to me.
You know what? You know why?
Because I'm back.
Oh crap!
Damn, I'm dead.
Rest and hold. my friend.
I'm dead.
Yeah, he died.
See? I'm not scared.
For small love.
Playing Five Nights at Freddy's.
Oh, are you
Oh,
kidding
damn
me?
it.
Are you kidding me?
Not already.
Pathetic. Aga pa.
You did.
Yeah, then you learn
Oh,
that
yan
this is
na.
a
And he's lost.
Man, you did.
I lost him, dude. I lost him. Oh, what the hell?
Oh, dude.
Dude! Bumatay ka na. Bumatay ka na.
Boxing. It's
Okay, 1 hour, 1 hour. Malapit na 2 hours. Niggas.
ng battery yung ano, flashlight mo.
Well, because we need it.
Kailangan
We need
talaga yan.
Foxy to go out.
Kailangan talaga yan.
Manga.
Try the mask.
Okay, dude, you can stop now. Dude,
You're gonna
music
die.
box.
Oh,
you're kidding me.
And you failed. You failed to go in.
Oh, no! Yes,
Oh,
but
no.
the views. The damn lag.
What the hell?
Now it's repeating.
Not like that.
Go!
Wala minigame. Seriously.
Foxy's already niya yung sa laptop. Dude, honk the horn. Honk the horn.
Wait.
Honk the horn.
Honk the damn horn. Dude, you can't see.
Yeah.
Bonnie. Tanong sa
When he died in that game, he jumped out of the window.
Where? That's why he's there.
He jumped out of the building. That's why he's there.
God damn it.
Not again.
Oh, dalawa.
Oh,
nice.
dude.
Ganyan yung sa amin
Dude.
kanina.
It's a vampire!
Di ba
Shut
kailangan?
up.
Ano ba kailangan para ma-defeat siya?
Mask.
Mask.
Ano, mabilisan na mask.
Sino si Bonnie?
Si Bonnie. Tsaka si Chica, tsaka si Freddy.
Si
Toy Freddy.
Si Bonnie to?
New friend,
Bonnie.
old again.
Bonnie.
Wither. Dude.
Wala kang pakay na yan, no.
No. Nice.
No. The puppet's out.
Oh.
You're dead.
Control mo. Control. Dude!
There's the puppet.
Oh!
Happy birthday!
Don't worry. We're good.
You're good.
Nandun na siya. Diyan siya. Haha, nawala na si... Whoever that guy is.
Whoever that guy is. It's Bonnie.
Whoever that.
We've been playing that for many times now. And you still don't know the people.
Still, dalawa na sila.
Gusto mo yung puppet, diba?
Yeah.
Never mind.
Diyan na eh.
Oo nga. Oh!
Hi, Freddy.
It's like... Freddy
Hindi ko magana sa kanya flash.
Bye 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 bye. Say bye bye to that thing. To the puppet.
Yeah, no more puppets.
Okay.
Gusto mo lang gusto makita.
Troll.
Ah,
Oh, okay.
Jeremy.
Internet mo.
internet ko.
Say hello to the first guy who died in the Fred Bear's Pizza. The
Tagal mo
mango.
yung mask control.
5, 4. Well, it was not mango, but then it was fox.
Fox.
Yeah, fuck.
Jeremy's so boys. So you're gonna die already?
Palabasin mo agad yung puppet.
Palabasin mo na yung puppet, sige.
Huwag
Don't check on the
may
puppet.
wind up ah.
Don't wind up.
Anong camera ba yun?
Here.
Huwag may wind up. Ayan.
Yeah, maybe it's because it's...
Eh, natin ka muna, meron na doon. Andun na si Foxy.
Not...
Yan mo, baba mo.
What's this? Yung guitar.
Baba kasi.
God.
Yan si Foxy.
Wonder what this good. Wait, what's this?
Yan
Is
si
that the...
Foxy.
Told you.
Control mo lang.
Oh! That's the one where you make...
Okay. He's gonna die by puppet. Okay, puppet's going.
Jeremy! Ito yung future DJ.
Puppet. Puppet. Dude, that's fine. Just check on something else. You're just gonna die because of puppet anyway.
I have music.
3.
I saw your jump scare.
Okay, who's next?
Me.
Okay.
Fail.
You failed.
The nose.
Fail.
The nose.
Fail.
The nose.
The nose.
That's music.
Oh, dude.
That's my hat.
That's my
What is wrong with the flashlight?
Okay.
I got internet.
Freddy, how are you?
Good idea.
Five dance Freddy's. Five dance Freddy's.
I'm finding it.
Si Freddy.
I'm finding
No, that's
Oh,
I'm finding too.
ay, ano, papalag sa meme off. Yung ano.
Yeah.
Wait, this thing. Purple.
Wait lang.
Kita mo.
Dito siya. Andun siya. Stance.
Eh, gusto ko si Puppet.
3, 2, 1,
lang.
and
Drag it.
Yes!
You did not wind
Hindi mo
up.
yung pipigilan na.
Thanks.
Dude.
Ay, okay. Dude, I thought you took care of your
Not
lost
this
stuff.
time. You ain't gonna get me, Foxy.
No.
Found one.
No for you.
Oh,
You're not...
Wait, tabi mo.
Dalawa pa lang. Joke lang. Dude, zoom out.
The table.
The stakes are set. Who will win? Foxy?
Oh, yeah.
That's what it does.
It's not yet here. He will go to your...
I don't care. Shut up.
Then,
Shut up. I know how to do this.
stick box.
Are you dead or not? Go.
Then when you...
Oh, the
Stop.
puppet. It's not there.
okay, sige. Sinong type? Okay.
Si Justin.
Just
Who am I?
Just it.
Die.
Siyempre mananalo si Joaquin. Hindi siya mamatay.
Die.
You're good.
2 a.m.
You
No, I mean, okay. Hours na dito.
Oh my God.
3 a.m. I'm gonna beat my...
4:43.
Oh shit, and go.
Are you dead or are you dead?
Oh man, I failed.
You're dead.
Yung sa vent. Yung sa vent. Yung sa
Wala,
vent.
ayoko.
Yun na.
Ayoko.
Hindi ko gagawin. Siyempre.
Para mga...
Dude, makikita mo din naman sila dyan eh.
Right?
Umuwi na siya, no? Oh yeah!
You're dead?
No!
Mukha niya yung
I did the trick.
Sino nagulat dyan?
Nawala? Yeah.
So basically it ended there, and basically I did finish night 3 and we're now in night 4. Problem? Well, it's because my phone didn't got to its full memory. Can't record the other parts. There's gonna be one tomorrow. I promise. There's gonna be one tomorrow. Okay? Deal. Okay, we'll see you in the flip flop. Yeah, I still don't know the intro of this. I still don't know the intro of this channel. Anyway, bye!